Yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot day. It's a beautiful day today, Chad. Let me tell you what. And let me tell you what I'm doing today. Now, getting ready to get my little fry daddy together. Get it full of oil, filled with oil there, and get it hot, 350 or right around there. Get it hot. Because I've got something for you that you just will not believe. Today, I've got some mushrooms and avocados we're going to be frying, Chad. Let me tell you what, they're going to be so crunchy, so delicious. The flavor's so good. I mean, what can I say, you know? I mean, right now, everybody trying to stay 6 feet from each other. Well, let me tell you. Once this cooks, I'm going to have the whole gang out here. I don't want it, but that's the way it is, you know. Just the smell, the flavor, the taste. Hey, it's all good on the Bayou, Chad. Anyway, we'll be starting in a minute. Here's a few things you're going to need. Chicken broth. Well, why I need chicken broth? Hey, I'm not frying chicken, but let me tell you what. Chicken broth puts some flavor in an avocado. Dang. And a shroom. Now, crispy panko breadcrumbs, plain. And the reason I say plain is because I got 6 different ingredients we're going to mix in it. 6 different spices going to go into those little plankos. And let me tell you what, I say planko, it's a panko. And let me tell you what. Also, we'll need a little yellow cornmeal. Not a whole bunch. When it comes to yellow cornmeal, you're going to need a 1/4 cup. When it comes to your panko, you're going to need 1 cup. Chicken broth, 1 cup. Oh, this is fun, Chad. Spices, garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Hey, let's put some chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Man, what about a little paprika, 1/4 teaspoon. What about some cayenne pepper? It's all good, Chad. 1/4 teaspoon. And some salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Now, I mean, that's easy. I'm going to move a little camera right here to show me mixing all this while my oil gets hot. So anyway, Chad, hang with me. And let's fry up. We're going to deep fry up some avocado chunks and some good old chunky shrooms. Look at that, some little chunky shrooms. And it's all going to be good. When that comes out, it's going on a paper towel to get a little excess oil off of there. And let me tell you, once you take a bite and it's crunchy, 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 tasty, 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 you're going to say, what the hell I need meat for? That's what it's about. Anyway, the Chef Bourque, I'll talk with you later. I'm getting this baby on the road. Take it easy, Chef. Hot damn. Alright, while my oil is heating up, I've got my cup of chicken broth and I've got my shrooms and avocados. Oh yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there and just let it set, you know, let it set. Sometimes setting is better, you know, oh yeah. You notice how the avocados went down to the bottom? That's because they sucking that sucker up, man. You get that juice, baby. Now I got a little clean bowl here. Hey, panko. There goes the cornmeal. Let me put that on the side right here. Yes. So what do you do with all this stuff right here? Well, you know, you want to mix it together real good. That's what's going to give you your little veggies their crunch. And you want something to stick with it, you know, stick with it. I don't want to put no egg in there because then it's not right, you know, it's just not right. Get over there, boy. What you think you do? What you think this is, your birthday? Hold on. Stay there. All right. Now, let's get down to action, Chef. Paprika. Throw it in there. What I'm going to put next? Chili powder. Throw it in there. How about a little salt? Throw it in there. Man, this is just fun. Cayenne pepper. Bam, bam, bam. Wow. Oh, I tell you what. I wish old Garden was here with me now, baby. I wish he was here with me now. Hot dang. Oh, yeah. Garlic powder. Pop. Yeah, let me get a little, that little garlic powder wants to stick. You can't do that, son. Not on my show. Here we got some onion powder. Bang, bang. There. Trying to stick. Tell you, man, y'all. Now let me just mix all this together. Get all them spices in there. You know, that's what you got to do. You got to step out of the box with some of these ingredients and all that. Step out of the box. Make it happen. Give it a taste. What's my temperature at right now? All right, I'm at 350. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead. Work some of this in there right now. Yeah, look at it. Look at it, huh? Look at it. Look at it grabbing. Grabbing onto it. Oh, yeah. Get some avocados in there right now, too. Put them avocados in there. Grab at it, baby. Grab it. Ah, yeah. That's what it's supposed to do. Woo-hoo. Looking pretty good, huh? All right, I'm going to drop this first batch in there. Let me pull my camera over here. Now. Get in there and do y'all thing. Do y'all, it's your thing. Anyway, I'm frying up the first batch. I'm going to do the other batch after a while. Going pretty good. I got some time. I'm going to mix up this next one here. Boy, you can smell that chicken broth. You can smell it frying, Shay. I'm losing a little bit of heat on this, but you know what? That's not bad when you're doing this because it's not so bad when it's going to it's already got the crispy in there. Just kind of maybe pull it all in together. See that? It's ready. It don't take long. It don't take long. Set that right there, put all my mess aside. Let me show you what. Unplug this baby. All right, let me tell you what, Shad. This was terrific, terrific, terrific. And I tell you, the avocados are crunchy. You know when you got flavor. With shrooms. I took mine out because that's the way I like them, just like that. If you like them fried a little bit more, go for it, Shaq. Fry it up a little bit more. All right, tonight we're doing tacos. These are gonna be right on top. Talk to you later. Chef Bourque. Aye, oh yeah, baby. Hot dang.